Hi there, Jack here from Cardiff Met International, and in this video I'm going to be answering the question, what is the difference between a lecture and a seminar? Welcome to the latest video in my series on understanding UK universities for international students. If you haven't watched any of my videos before, my name is Jack and I'm part of the international team here at Cardiff Metropolitan University in the UK. I'm currently on a mission to help international students better understand the UK university system. So if you're watching this video, you're probably asking, what exactly is the difference between a lecture and a seminar? Or more generally, what are the different types of classes that you will be attending when you come to study at a UK university? Whilst students studying in the UK spend the majority of their time on independent learning and studying in the library, the core of your course will come from the sessions that you'll have in the classroom. These are your opportunity to learn from and interact with both your lecturers and other students. So when you receive your timetable, in order to fully prepare, you'll need to know exactly what are the different types of class. Lectures are formal classes in which lecturers present subject material to all students enrolled in a given subject. Lectures tend to have a high number of students in a big room, lecture theatre or lecture hall. You may well find the whole year group gathered for the same lecture, so the size of a lecture room may depend on the size of your year group. In lectures, students sit as an audience and the lecturer talks to them, usually for around 50 minutes or so. The lecturer may use some visual aids such as slides, videos or presentations. Lecturers may ask questions and some brave students may answer, but overall the lecturer talks about the subject and students listen and take notes. Seminars are run for a smaller number of students and may allow for group work and discussions throughout. Seminars will usually have one lecturer and anywhere up to 30 students. Seminars can take different forms and may include students doing presentations on set topics, lecturers giving mini lectures or study questions being set so that students can discuss them in a group. Seminars are much less formal than lectures and are designed to give you time to discuss topics and deepen your understanding of your subject area. There may still be a teacher reciting a large amount of information to students in a large classroom, but they expect and value feedback and participation from their students. A tutorial is where you meet a lecturer either for a one-on-one session or as a small group of students. This is usually either in the lecturer's office or a small seminar room. You may have read something in advance for the tutorial and be prepared to discuss it. Tutorials allow group discussion of lecture content. They may involve presentation and debate on themes and concepts related to the course. Lecturers know that students often find it hard to speak up even in small groups. But a tutorial is a great opportunity to get to know other students and ask your tutor about the course. It may also be a good time to discuss previous coursework and assignments and to plan future projects and work. So there we have it. I hope you now understand a little bit more about lectures, seminars and tutorials. In my next video, I'll be focusing on more practical classes offered on some courses at UK universities. Please do give me a like if this has been helpful, and if you have any questions, just let me know in the comments below. Make sure that you subscribe to our channel and click on the bell and select all to receive notifications. But for now, thanks for watching, and hopefully we'll welcome you to Cardiff Met one day soon. Bye bye.